Hi friends, today I will show you how to make a transparent logo or anything that you want to make the background or something is transparent. Suppose I want to make this picture, this black color I want to remove and that make to transparent. For that there is a website called onlinepngtools.com. Enter. You go to the website. Here you can select this option, make PNG transparent. Click on it, you get these things. From here you can choose this option. Now upload your file. That was in desktop. I uploaded. Now you want to select which color you want to remove. I want to remove this black color. Click here, come to the black, all are 0, that's a black color coordination, RGB coordination. All black colors removed. Now you can save as, you can download, complete, show in folder. This is your file. Paste it. You go to the transparent file. Transparent background, your logo, whatever. Now all the black color could change. Like that, if you want to change some other color, suppose I want to change this blue color. It's a blue color, you have to select blue. So blue get transparent, all the other colors get remained. Percentage of matching your color, your selected color. You have 100%, then you have to give the exact number of your color.